Hey everyone, hopefully you're having a good day. My name's Andy, my channel's Finding Value. Today I'm going to talk about royalty companies. Royalty companies, this is for the precious metals sector. I'm going to take a big picture view on it. And I'm a big fan of royalty companies. I think they have a very good business model. It is superior to the mining companies. And I think they're a spot to be looking into if you want to invest in precious metals and get precious metals exposure in the purest way that you possibly can. This is the way to play it, the royalty companies. So let's jump in. I'll show you what I've got in the royalty companies area. So here's the dollar first. The dollar was down minus 0.36. At least that's when I took a snapshot of it. And it looks like it's breaking to the downside here. We kind of broke down and this thing's ready to head lower. It could move substantially lower. This is all a tailwind to our investments. So commodities, I think, over time are going to do very well if we see a weaker dollar. So let's jump into some of these royalty companies. This is wheat and precious metals from a big long-term perspective. I broke to the upside here in 2019-ish, and we've been moving higher ever since. So that looks excellent. Ealy Gold. Ealy Gold broke its downtrend line here back in 2019. I pulled up, pulled back, and I think we're just going to continue to head higher over time. The volume is definitely kicking in here and buying the heck out of this thing. Here's Teuton Resources. This is a royalty company I like very much. It's up in the Golden Triangle. It is still putting in work to break to this upside here of this very long-term pattern. So this looks excellent. I think when we break it, it's going to look very good. Royal Gold, this guy has been in an uptrend. It looks fantastic. If you were back here holding on, and even in the early to mid 2000s and late 2000s, this thing's just been tracking higher and higher over time. Sandstorm Gold, looks like we're putting in that U-shaped pattern where you come up, put in a U and a cup and handle, and ready to hopefully break up to the upside soon. Franco-Nevada, very similar to Royal Gold. This thing just keeps moving up and up and up. So doing very well. Here's Cisco Gold royalties. Looks like it's breaking to the upside. Fantastic of this large pattern. This large downtrend is shoulder, head, shoulder, and we're going to break to the upside. EMX Royalty Corporation looks like it's doing one of these kind of bowl-shaped patterns. Pretty cool. Lots of volume on the right-hand side there. We've got MTA, Metallo Royalty. This thing's been in a strong uptrend the entire time, looking fantastic to just kind of buy some wherever you can close to this line and just hold on. And here's Nomad Royalty Company. This is a newer one. Kind of pulled back. And it doesn't look too bad down here. You know, if you like it, maybe do some research into Nomad Royalty. I don't know too much about it. Someone wanted me to chart it, but it doesn't look too bad. Doesn't look too bad. So that's the royalty companies. Those are the ones that I like. I think from a long-term perspective, they're going to do absolutely excellent. They're going to do one of these. So if you guys have any questions, put it in the comment section. And thank you for listening. This is Finding Value.